Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact distro name so commands target the right instance. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator and terminate the running distro to avoid conflicts. Then launch WSL directly as root. This bypasses the user account and gives you a privileged shell. This is necessary because you cannot change a locked user password from inside that user session. Make sure the distro name matches case and spacing, and proceed only after the distro is terminated. Now that you have a root shell, reset the user password with password followed by the username. Type the new password twice when prompted. If password is missing or the account is corrupted, check /etc/password and /etc/shadow to confirm the account and recreate entries as needed. You can also add a temporary user with UserAdd and set its password, then transfer files or compare configs. After changing the password, run ID for the user to confirm UID and group membership and ensure permissions remain correct. Complete the process by exiting the root shell and restarting the distro normally. Use WSLD distro to test that the default user can sign in with the new password. If login still fails, verify that /etc/shadow permissions are 600 and owned by root, and that the user entry wasn't accidentally altered. As a fallback, restore a recent backup of the distro or export, fix files offline, and re-import. If you hit errors, note the exact messages before making additional changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.